Hello, in front of me I've got FC26. In this video I'll show you how to perform corner kicks. As you can see, during corner kicks you can adjust the line of the ball. You can chip it, or perform inside foot curled, or sometimes outside foot curled, depending on the player. Best tactics to perform corner kicks is to curve it outside the goal and simply pressing and holding the square button. Make sure to pick perfect angle so the ball will get to your player. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.